Let's go to my fridge.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Let's see.
The balot.
Balloon. Get the papaya. Ooh.
What the fuck is that?
Oh snap! My phone's ringing. Hello? Yeah? Jeez.
I don't know. That
What? What? Okay, bye.
Who's that?
I don't know, Jara.
You do know she's still on the phone. Freaking chronic.
Okay.
Bread.
No. I don't want to touch that. Dildo collectors.
Put it back. Yeah.
Dildo collectors. Carrot juice? Ew.
I have to pee.
No, you can't come with me to the bathroom when I'm peeing. Let's go to my pantry. Ooh, sexy. Let's see. Chippy. Oh, cockroach! Cockroach! Over there! See? Not even! Cockroach! Cockroach! Oh no, that's just chips. Never mind! What the fuck? So crowded! Cockroach! Right there! See that little speck right there? Cockroach! What you fucker? What?
Can I make you the bedroom? No, don't record this. Bye, people.
Wait, I want. Oh my god, you almost stepped out of cereal things. 10 calorie right bites. If you're on a diet, it's good for you. I think. Okay, bye! Bye-bye.